How to verify new device for WeChat login. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your WeChat application. Now tap on login. Now select your country. Now enter your phone number. Now tap on accept and continue. Now click on login via SMS verification code. Now tap on get SMS. Now copy the code here. Go back to WeChat application and paste the code. Now tap on login. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.